Want to try Instagram's new map feature? Here's how to set it up and stay in control of your privacy. First, update Instagram in the App Store or Play Store. Open the app once it's up to date. Go to your Messages tab to open DMs. Tap Map at the top to begin. Tap Next, then choose who can see your location. Friends you follow back, close friends, or only you. Tap Share to confirm. Grant location access when prompted. For best results, allow while using the app. You can change this anytime in your phone settings by opening Settings, finding Instagram, and adjusting location and precise location. Now explore the map. See friends who opted in, discover nearby places and posts, and tap a friend or place for details. Use Search to jump to a city or venue. Want more privacy later? Switch visibility to only you, turn off precise location, stop sharing from the map screen, or revoke location access in your phone settings. If this helped you, tap like, share your favorite Instagram tip in the comments, and subscribe for more quick social media guides.